Hi, this short video is to help you learn a little bit about filters so that it is easier to clean up your inbox and other folders. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you have all the labels in your email set up the way you want them to. And if there is one that you have forgotten, all you have to do is click on this little button here. I'll actually make one. Click on labels. I need one for
Can you say it again?
special ed services.
I'm not sure what went wrong.
And then I am just going to create new, and I want to nest it under Pearl. There we go. So it doesn't pop up in the wrong place. Okay, so that's just an example of creating a label, and it did land exactly where I needed it to be. So now if you get a lot of emails like I do, or if you send a lot of emails like I do, sometimes it gets tedious to drag and drop them from your inbox into the folder where you want to keep it. So I am going to set up a filter for Amon, who is a tech friend of mine, and I want his emails to automatically be flagged when I receive them. So what that is going to look like is I'm just going to click on one of his emails as an example. You actually don't even need to click on it. Then you're going to click on what I call the shish kebab. It says more. I am going to select filter messages like these. So if I click on there, Amon's address comes up automatically. So if it's from Amon to me, I already wants to put me in there. And the subject, I really don't even need anything in the subject. I'm going to get rid of that comma right there. I don't need to fill anything out for him. Sometimes you might need to in the subject area. For instance, some of my CBI work, or my CBI emails, I put down the subject, what the business is called. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Create Filter. So now I need to tell the filter system what I want it to do. Do I want it to go straight into an archive, mark it as red, star it, whatever I might want to do? I actually have it directly apply labels. So I'm going to click that box, and the label that I want it to go under, here's these labels here, match all of these labels to the left of my screen. So I need to go down and I need to select my tech folder, and within my tech folder I have Quibi, which is Amon's company. So I'm going to select Quibi, and then my computer actually found 39 other matching messages that don't have this filter label already. So I'm going to select those also. Then when I do that, I am going to create filter. Perfect. So now you can see it actually took me straight to my Quibi folder, and it shows all of Amon's emails. But what I want to show you is going back to my inbox. It didn't take them out of my inbox because I told it not to. I told it to just give it a label and not archive it. So now you can see, oops, my bad. Now you can see that these labels, not supposed to be text, I'm not sure what happened to that one. I'll check it. That was an oops on my part. But Amon as Tech Quibi, Tech Quibi, Tech Quibi. So now all I need to do is click on that, click on the archive button, And this one is, you can see where it says on Tuesday, November 5th, so I'm going to archive that one. And these are for a new virtual roller coaster. I'm going to archive all of these, and then I want to show you what it looks like in the folder. So now I've archived them. They're going to jump down into the Quibi folder instead of just sending them to other mail. And here it is. Here is all of those roller coaster projects that I just filtered and labeled. So that works really, really well. I hope this works out for you. If you have any further questions, just let me know. There's many other things you can do with filters, but this is a great way to start.